What it do, Harvey crew? Hey guys, so we got another noodle challenge for you. Now, if y'all didn't see our other videos, make sure that you go and watch those videos first. This one is not part of the level one. It was just one that I saw in the store one day. But
I got them.
Oh, you got them? Oh, well, see, you know it's usually me, so I ain't even know it was him. Okay, but anyway. But before we show you what we got, what they need to do. Brianna, where you at?
She's out there.
She coming. She coming. She coming.
Like, comment.
Subscribe.
What did he say?
What?
No, I said share.
Oh my gosh, no. No. Comment down below if y'all thought that he cussed. I'm telling you.
We're gonna watch this back and see.
It sound like he did not say share.
What do I say?
You don't say share.
Turn the post notifications on.
So you the first time to the video and share.
What the heck?
Send the boss up to wash his mouth out with.
He, listen, you know, a mother's ear can hear all. I definitely did not hear share. First of all, he don't even say share. Anyway, let me show y'all these daggone noodles.
What? This happened?
These are the noodles. These are the noodles. It says Shin noodle soup gourmet spicy. Now, based on how it looks in a picture, doesn't look too spicy. I'm sure they may have had spicier. So they're gonna
positive we've had spicy.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Because I know a couple of those was a little
So to them, this probably gonna be some regular schmegula noodles. So let's see what they think. Stay tuned.
And we are back. Finally, noodles are done. Looking good. As you can see those. Not hot. So we're going to try these now. Are you guys ready? The hockey way, bro? Yeah. Everything okay?
Yeah, sorry for the
Oh, because it's moving.
shakiness.
Oh, right. Weird.
Okay, so this is gonna be the first bite. And then they're gonna work. On the fork.
All right.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It got
a little kick to it. Felt a little bit in my chest, but
it had a surprising kick to it. Actually, I didn't think it was going to even be nothing.
I almost burnt my throat with a noodle. Oh. And now when you don't blow your food all the way correctly, and like, especially noodles, and then like you swallow it, like, it be in the side of the throat.
They good though.
About to burn your lung or something.
It hit me in the ear. I like these.
They good.
These are surprisingly
They have more spice than I think they would.
surprisingly pleasant. A little more spicy. They're not hot,
Right. It's like not subtle, but like,
but
it's like a,
yeah, it is kind of
More
subtle.
subtle,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's like you feel it, but like it's not like overwhelming. Pretty good flavor. These are actually good. I would actually buy these again. See, we've had some before, and they were not hot at all and didn't have good flavor. They tasted like the
I think it was the
package.
miso ones. It was the miso ones.
The miso ones,
If
yeah.
y'all didn't see that video, go look at that video, the miso ones, and you'll see exactly what we're talking about. And especially the texture.
The texture was terrible.
It was like really like almost soggy.
You're
Those
right.
ones.
These have a good consistency, good texture, good flavor,
And just spicy.
nice spice level. I would ask, what would you give these from 1 to 10?
As far as heat, a 4. It's taste a 9.
Yeah, heat I would agree like a 4. The taste, I might give it a 10. These are actually pretty good. I can't even lie. I think it's because I didn't expect them to taste like nothing.
Right.
So like because they're better than I thought, it actually takes the level, the grade up. Because I actually was expecting them to be not good. So yeah. Brian, what about you?
Right, you've been over there quiet. You've been over there quiet.
What would you do spice wise?
4.
About flavor.
9.
So I guess we give these a thumbs up.
Yep, a thumbs up.
Thumbs up. It's always a good day to give some noodles a thumbs up. I'd buy these again.
Definitely would.
So recommend go get the what are these called again?
The
Shin bowl soup.
yeah, Shin Noodle Bowl gourmet spicy noodles.
Sauce packet right here. Go get these. Try them. Give a review. So we're going to get out of here. But before we do, what do they need to do?
Like, comment.
Oh, mom.
Yeah, she's on a meeting,
Yeah.
so subscribe.
Turn post notifications on.
Second notify every time you post a video and share.
Send a friend.
Yep. So until next time. Bye.